Hello traders, this is Rich Derrick from tradesight. We're going to take a look at the scans here and see what the market leaders might have to tell us about what to expect for Tuesday, February 5th. We've got a pretty decent distribution day going on here, but it's actually not really reflected with a lot of downside continuations here. There definitely is some pockets of volume. Starting to see some sell indications, but we're not seeing a whole leaning of downside CPS signals that would indicate that we're really going to kick into immediately some more downside coming up in the next session. Nasdaq leaders are definitely to the sell side, but not universally so. Moving over to the financials. Financials are actually better to buy here, coming off of what's mostly range high here for most of these names. We're seeing mostly buy indications and don't have not even one sell signal to the downside at this point of the session. Looking at the energy names, same condition. No sell side indications and a couple of buys popping up here. A little bit of decent volume here in PBR, but nothing too climactic in any of them. And here are the market generals. Again, like some of the other broad market indications that we've seen so far, these are mostly to the buy side right now. These are the camouflage buy types, where we're trading trading lower on the day but above the open price. Still have about another half an hour here before the end of the day, so these could be erased if we continue to decline a little bit and get below the opening prices for any of these camouflage signal type setups. Moving over to the housing stocks, same pattern, mostly to the buy side. Pretty good down day here in Canadian HOV. It's more than 5% below the open. Volume's not that great, but definitely a name that might be worth keeping an eye on tomorrow. And finally, here's a look at the commodity names. And again, on this, nothing really to hang your hat on as far as signals go. We're essentially paired off both ways. So I think we may have a short-term inflection point at hand here. We're maybe going to see a little bit of downside action. But I think we have to trade this one candle at a time and wait for that real climactic signal to give us an indication that we're turning down in a lasting way. So we'll take this up again tomorrow, and we hope to see you then.